Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform the initial setup on your Samsung The Frame TV. Begin by pairing your pilots with your TV. To do so, press and hold both return and play pause buttons for about 3 seconds. Then you will see the Bluetooth animation in the top right corner of your TV. Once your pilot is paired, you'll be able to select the language using top and bottom icons, top and bottom buttons on your remote. And to select the language that you need, press the central circle button. Now, you can choose how to set up your device. You can either use the smartphone setup or the remote control setup. In this video, I will show you how to perform the remote control setup on your TV, so we'll do everything step by step. So first of all, tap the right button on your remote control and then press the central button to confirm. Select your country or region in the same way that we did with the language. Then press this circle button. Now create a PIN code for your device. To select the digit, you have to navigate between them using left and right arrow keys, or basically the left and right keys around your circle. And to select, press the central button. So provide your PIN and confirm. And once you set up your PIN, tap OK. Now you can select either the home mode or retail mode. In most cases, I recommend using the home mode unless it's not your home TV or anybody else's home TV. Unless it's it's not your home TV, select the home mode. Now we're gonna have to connect to the network. So select the network from the list the same way we selected language and region, and then provide the password to your network. To navigate on this keyboard, use the buttons around your circle, and to select the digit, press the central button right here. And once you enter the password to your Wi-Fi network, navigate to the Go button and then press the central button to confirm. Wait until your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and then we're gonna have to agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy to continue the process. In my case, everything is in Polish, but basically, yeah, basically just select each option and then press the central button to hit the checkbox next to it, or just select I agree to everything. Then tap OK. Then select Start Setup. I accidentally went back. So you can either sign into your Samsung account by scanning this QR code you see on the screen, or you can go to their website, or you can just use your remote control set. Let's use the remote control. And now we're gonna have to provide the email and the password to the account the same way we enter the password to the Wi-Fi. So just give me a moment. And as you entered your email, select Next, and then provide your password in the very same way. In case you want to make any letter capital, you can either use the Shift button or press play pause button on your remote. And then you can press it again to make the letters smaller. So now let's enter the password and then select go. Then select sign in. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, so once you are signed into your Microsoft account, you can select stay signed in option and press the middle button to hit or uncheck the checkbox. Then select next and confirm. If you want to register your product using this device's serial number, hit the checkbox right here by pressing this central button and then select register, or just skip this step by selecting skip and pressing OK. Now let's set up the backup information. You can backup general information like Samsung account, TV name, TV serial number, model name, country, postcode, PIN and registered device list. You can also backup broadcast information, home screen, and to agree to the storage of backup data, hit the last checkbox on the list and select backup. Then wait for a moment. Okay, and once you see the updating screen, wait for a while until your TV is fully updated, and do not unplug your TV during the update process. Now let's wait again. And now let's set up the voice assistant by pressing the middle button to select next. Now you can sign into your accounts by selecting one of these services like Prime Video, Sky Showtime, Megago, and Apple TV, or you can just skip this step by selecting skip option right here. And now, for some reason, we are asked to provide the PIN code again. I hope you remember how we did that. Now you can select your TV source, so it can be a cable or a satellite box, aerial, or no broadcast signal. For now, I'm gonna select no broadcast signal, but you can select your, you should select your preferable source. Then select next to confirm. Then let's select next once again. And let's just skip this art mode introduction by pressing the right button several times. Okay, so we're almost here. And right now your TV is fully set up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly enter the art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. To quickly enter the art mode, short press the power button on your device's remote control, and this will enable the art image on your device's display. The next time you should press the power button, it will get you back to the home menu or to the art menu. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable the light sensor on your Samsung The Frame TV. So once you are in the art store, navigate all the way down to sleep options, open this menu, and then disable night mode by switching this toggle to the left. then click close. And from now on, the light sensor will be disabled until you re-enable it again. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove the mat on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the power button to go into the art mode. Then press up arrow key 2 times and select mount. And now let's select the first option, which is no mount, and then press OK. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset picture settings on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, go to the sidebar and navigate down to Settings. In Settings, select All Settings, and then open the Picture menu in here and navigate down to Expert Settings. Navigate to the very bottom of this settings list and select Reset Picture option, then confirm. And this way you will reset your picture settings on this TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset sound settings on Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, you have to press the settings button, which is located right under the power button on your remote control, open settings, then open all settings, navigate to the sound tab, then open it, go to expert settings, navigate to the last option on the list, which is the reset sound option. And now to reset sound settings, you have to select this option, then confirm by selecting reset, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto sleep feature in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, once you are in the art store, navigate all the way down to art mode options, select sleep options, select sleep after, and then navigate to off option and select it to confirm. Click OK, and that's basically it. Now the sleep after feature will no longer be enabled until you re-enable it again. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Fit to Screen feature on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, open Settings by pressing the Settings button on your remote control, then press OK to open the settings, then go to All Settings, and then open the Picture tab. Now in the Picture tab, we're going to have to go to Picture Size Settings, and if you want to enable Fit to Screen, you have to select this option, and then select either on or auto if you want the TV to do it for you. If you disable this feature, the fit to screen, the picture will not be fit to your device's display. So that's basically it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change brightness in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. When you are in the art mode, press the up arrow key on your remote control twice, then use right arrow key to navigate to screen settings and open them with OK button. Now here you can use right and left arrow key to move this slider either to the right to increase your brightness level or to the left to decrease it. If you want to reset the brightness level, press up arrow key to select brightness reset and then press OK. to reset brightness. Then you can press return button to return to your art view. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off HDMI CEC on your Samsung The Frame TV and prevent your remote control from controlling external device on your TV. So let's start by going to the home page, then navigate to the sidebar and scroll down to settings. Now in settings, let's select all settings option and then navigate down to connection menu. Go right here and then navigate to external device manager. And the first option in this menu is Anynet Plus or HDMI CEC. And if you want to turn it off, just press OK button to switch this toggle to the left. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable sleep timer on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the settings button on your remote control. It's located right underneath your power button. And then press OK to open the settings bar. On the settings bar, navigate to the sleep timer option, and here you can you just have to press the sleep timer option to quickly change it between off, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, and 3 hours options. And so that's basically how you enable or disable your sleep timer. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the matte or the white border on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the up arrow key twice, then navigate to mount option, press OK to open it, and then here in the mount section you can change your mount style. You can change its style and size like this, and you can also change the color in the next section. And to apply changes, press OK. And that's how you adjust your mount. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable adaptive sound on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, you have to open the sidebar and navigate down to the settings menu. In settings menu, select all settings and navigate to sound and change the sound mode from adaptive sound to either amplify or standard. Also, I recommend going to expert settings and adjusting the audio volume feature, basically testing it. So try to enable it, see what it sounds like, or hear what it sounds like, and then try turning it off, or try turning it on, and check it again, and see what sounds better for you. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off your Samsung The Frame TV completely. So to do it without any damage to your device's settings and anything else, you simply have to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn off your TV, and then just unplug it from the power source. So unplug the cable that comes from the power source to your One Connect box, and this way you will turn off your TV completely and will not lose any settings when you turn it back on after plugging the cable back in to the power source. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Samsung the Frame TV. First of all, either press the settings button on your remote or just go to the sidebar from the home menu, navigate to settings. Then in settings, you can either navigate to picture mode, or if you want a more convenient setting, go to all settings, go to picture, select picture mode, and now you can select one of the 4 available picture modes like dynamic, standard, eco, and movie mode. Select the mode that you need and press the central button to confirm, then select yes to apply the change. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable adaptive sound on your Samsung the Frame TV. First of all, from either Art menu or Home menu, go to the sidebar by pressing the left arrow button on your keyboard, on your remote control. Then open Settings menu and open All Settings, select Sound and go to Sound mode. Change the sound mode to Adaptive Sound. Now additionally, I also recommend going to Expert Settings and try disabling or enabling Audio Volume feature, which equalizes sound automatically so that the volume level remains the same when you change between channels or video sources. So try to turn it on. Check what it sounds like, then turn it off and check it again and see what matches your taste. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall applications on your Samsung the Frame TV. First of all, press the Home button on your remote control to go to this page. Then press the right button to switch to Apps. And then navigate down to the Download App section. In this section, you'll find the applications that you have downloaded on your TV. And if you want to delete some of them or one of them, hold your central button on your Pilot for a couple of seconds until you see these options. Now, here select Delete and press the central button to confirm. Then confirm by selecting Delete on the pop-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to calibrate the art mode photos on your Samsung the Frame TV. So first of all, let's enter the art mode by selecting our art or by short pressing the power button. Then press the up arrow key twice, select Screen Settings. And now in Screen Settings, let's press down arrow key to go to the color tone, and right here we can adjust the color tone for our artwork. I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but the color tone is actually changing when we move this slider with our right and left arrow keys. And to apply changes, press OK. And so that's how you calibrate your color tone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust your white balance on Samsung the Frame TV. To do it, you have to go to the sidebar and navigate down to Settings. In Settings, select All Settings and then select Picture, navigate down to Expert Settings, and then let's find the White Balance menu, open it, then select 2-point, and here you can change RGB gain and RGB offset by manually adjusting all of these values. To do that, select one of these values and then adjust the red gain and the green gain by moving the respective slider either to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. And if you want to, you can also reset the values by clicking Reset option right here and click Reset to confirm. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable HDMI CEC and start controlling external devices with your remote control on Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, open the home page on your TV by pressing the home button on your remote, then press the left button to navigate to the sidebar, navigate down to Settings, and then in Settings, select All Settings using OK button, and then navigate down to the Connection section, open the connection, and navigate down to External Device Manager. Open this menu, and the first option is Anynet Plus or HDMI CEC. And so to enable or disable this feature, you just have to press OK button and just make sure that the toggle next to this option is switched on. If it's switched on, then this feature is enabled. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change input source on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the home button on your remote to go to this page. Then use the left button to open the sidebar and then navigate down to Connected Devices. Use the right arrow key to navigate between your connected devices like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Select your input source, and if you see the no signal option or HDMI cable disconnected, make sure double check that you selected the correct source and that the device is properly connected and most importantly turned on. To go back, press return button on your remote or home button. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will explain to you how to turn off art mode automatically on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, let's open the sidebar and open the art store. And now, in order to automatically disable your art mode, you have to navigate to the very bottom of this menu to find art mode options. And here, open sleep settings. And now you can enable sleep after, which will set the frame to turn off and on automatically as motion is detected in the room during the set time period. And here you can select the auto disable time for your art mode. You can also adjust motion detector sensitivity from low to medium to high. The higher it is, the more sensitive your sensor will be. And also enabling the night mode will set the frame to turn art mode off automatically during the night time when your TV automatically detects the night. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable auto low latency mode on Samsung The Frame TV. In order to do that, press the settings button that is located right underneath your power button, then press OK to open settings, and in the quick settings menu, navigate to the game mode option and enable your game mode by pressing OK. Then confirm. And once you enable your game mode on your Samsung The Frame TV, the auto low latency mode will be enabled automatically when your TV detects a compatible device that is connected to it. So if you are already connected to your console, this mode will be enabled automatically. There are no additional settings for it in the game mode settings, as you can see. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your Samsung The Frame TV. Start by pressing the home button on your remote to go to this page, and press the left button on your remote to go to the sidebar. On the sidebar, navigate down to settings, and then using the right key, open the settings menu, select all settings, and then navigate down to support. Press the right key to go to support options, and then select software update. First of all, do not remember to enable auto update by switching this toggle to the right. You can do this simply by pressing the central button on your remote control. And if you want to perform an update, click update now and let your device check for updates, and if there are any updates available, your device will download and install them. You can also check the current version and the latest version of the software on the right side of this window. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the sound output on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, press the settings button on your remote control, which is located right beneath your power button. Then select settings, go to all settings, navigate to sound tab, and here the first option is the sound output, so select it. And then to change the sound output, you can choose one of the available options you see right here. If you are using the Samsung speaker, you can also set up Q-Symphony, which will synchronize the sound from your TV with the sound of your Samsung speaker so that they both play at the same time. But if you have a speaker that is not Samsung, you can also go to General and Privacy, go to Accessibility, and enable multi-output audio here. Then just select which speaker you want to use as a second speaker, so that to use along with your device's TV speaker. Select it, and yeah, and this way you will also play audio from two sources. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change picture size on your Samsung The Frame TV. To change the picture size, you're going to have to press the settings button that's located right under your power button on your remote control. Then select settings and press OK. And press OK to open all settings on your device. Then select picture menu, and in picture menu you're going to have to select picture size settings, and here you can change the picture size from 16 by 9 to custom to 4 by 3. If you select custom, you will be able to manually adjust zoom and position of the picture. Also, you can enable feed to screen option to feed the content of your device to your screen, or you can disable it if you want to, or you can just enable auto, which will do everything for you. And in zoom and position, you can also adjust the zoom to maybe extend the picture on your screen. And that's basically how you change the picture size on this device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset Smart Hub on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, open the settings from the sidebar, then go to All Settings menu. In All Settings, navigate to Support section and open it. Then select Device Care, open the Device Care menu, then let your device perform a quick check. And now navigate down to Self-Diagnosis and open this menu. And once you open it, you have to navigate to the last option, which is the Reset Smart Hub option. Select it, then enter your device's PIN code, and your downloaded apps, accounts will be reset. Basically, all Smart Hub settings will be reset on your TV. So just enter your PIN code using this bar you see below this window. Enter it right here, and then press done, and the Smart Hub reset will be performed. It will take like a minute for it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set a slideshow in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, go to the art store and then select the set of arts that you want to play. So select any available art category and select Display All option if you have a membership, or if you want to display your own photos, you can navigate to the very bottom of the list. And then in your Photos album, select Display All option at the top, press OK. And now they will be changing every 3 minutes by default, but you can change it by pressing the top arrow key. Then select Display Options, and here you can select whether to display your photos in order or shuffle, so in random order. And you can also change the rotation, so the frequency of pictures changing from 3 minutes to 15 minutes to 1 hour to up to 7 days, basically. Press OK, and now you'll have a slideshow. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache and memory on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the settings button on your remote control, which is located right beneath your power button. Then go to All Settings menu, navigate to Support section, and in Support section we have to select Device Care and wait until this menu launches. It takes some time for it usually. Then go to Manage Storage and wait for all the apps to load on this list. Once they load, in order to remove any application from here, you just have to click OK on it. or on them if you want to remove several applications, and then click delete to delete these applications from your TV. And if you want to clear some apps, cache and data, then you're gonna have to navigate to it on this list. Once it launches once again, select view details beneath this apps icon, and then select either clear cache if you want to clear cache, or clear data if you want to clear data in this application. Then wait for a while, and as you can see, data was erased. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform the factory reset operation on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the home button on your remote control to open this page. Then press the left button to go to the sidebar, navigate down to settings, press OK once again to open all settings list, and then navigate down to general and privacy section, open it, and in this menu navigate down to factory data reset option. If this option is unavailable for you, that means that some other device is connected to your TV, and in such case you just have to unplug the other device. It may be your console, it may be your speaker or whatever. Just unplug them from your Samsung One Connect box, and then this option will become available for you. Now select it, then provide your PIN code into the following field, and select reset and press OK, and then just wait until the reset is completed. Then your TV will restart automatically. And once you see the setup screen in front of you, that means that the factory reset operation is finished. So that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. To adjust your device so that you can manually control it as much as possible without using the art mode, you're gonna have to navigate down the art mode, art store, to sleep options, then open them, and then switch the sleep after option to off, tap OK. Then let's select motion detector and set it to low, as this is the most that we can do, and also disable the night mode by switching this toggle to the left and tap close. And the next adjustment that we can do is go to settings menu, then go to all settings, navigate to general and privacy, and now let's select power and energy saving, navigate down to power button option, and then here switch from art/TV to on and off. And this way, now whenever you want to turn off your TV by short pressing the power button, you will turn it off, and then pressing it once again, it will turn it on for you without entering the art mode. So these are all the settings that we can change on this TV to turn off the art mode on it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear your web browser's cache and cookies on Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the home button on your remote control and then navigate down to the apps menu or the apps list. On this list, select Internet, tap on it to open. Now, what you have to do is navigate to the three stripes icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the Internet menu, and then navigate to the Settings menu. Now in Settings, on the sidebar, select Privacy and Security, and in this menu you can delete all your history, but it will only affect the history of your web browsing. So if you want to delete your history, select Delete All and then Confirm. And if you want to clear cache and cookies, you have to navigate lower to delete browsing data. So this includes cookies and cache, basically, and your bookmarks and history won't be affected. So if you want to delete your cookies and cache, select Delete Browsing Data, then select Delete, and this way you will delete your cache and cookies. And to close the web browser, you just have to navigate to the X icon in the top right corner, select Exit, Confirm, or you can just press the Home button to return to your home page. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the sound settings on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the Settings button on your remote control. It's located right under the Power button. Once you press it, press OK to open Settings, then go to All Settings on the bar you see below. Go to Sound, and here you can change the sound output by selecting this option and then selecting the sound output that you need. You can change the sound mode from standard to adaptive sound or to amplified sound. You can also set up Q-Symphony by selecting this option, and then you're gonna have to connect some Samsung audio device to your TV to create an immersive sound experience, but I don't have unfortunately any Samsung speaker around, so I cannot show you how to do this. Then you can also access expert settings. Here you can change different things like balance, you can set up equalizer, you can also change digital output audio format, audio delay, audio volume, and all the rest of the audio settings. And if you want to reset your sound settings, just tap on Reset Sound and confirm by clicking Reset, and then all the values in this menu will be reset to default ones. And so that's basically how to do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the audio language on your Samsung The Frame. So I want to start with a quick explanation. Well, you might have multiple language tracks while watching your live TV on antenna or cable channels, but this option is not available everywhere. So you might maybe lacking this feature in your region or in your current location. But generally speaking, in order to enable this feature, first you have to go to the home by pressing the home button on your remote control, then press the left button to open the sidebar. On the sidebar, navigate to connected devices. Make sure that you have your TV selected, or maybe some other source if you have your TV connected to some other source like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Now then navigate down to settings, and in this settings menu, navigate to the right to the audio language. And unfortunately, I don't have this option available because my aerial cable is disconnected from the TV, so I cannot change this the value for this option. But generally speaking, what you have to do is just tap your middle, your central button, your OK button on your remote control to change the language to the next one available. And so that's basically how to do it. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the picture settings on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, from the home menu, go to the sidebar and navigate down to settings. In settings, you have to select all settings, then open the picture menu. Sometimes it takes a while for this menu to become available, but generally speaking, here you can adjust your picture mode by selecting dynamic, standard, eco, or movie mode, and you can see the preview of each mode while navigating to it. And in expert settings, you can adjust things like brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, tint, and other different settings like picture clarity settings. You can make them manual by changing this value of the picture clarity to custom, and then you can adjust your picture clarity if you want to. You can also change the color tone, white balance, gamma, and a bunch of other things. And if you want to reset picture settings, select reset picture, then confirm, and then all the settings and all the changes that you made in this menu will be reset to default values. So that's basically how you change picture settings on your smart TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, use the left button on your remote to go to the sidebar. On the sidebar, navigate to settings and then use the right arrow button to navigate to the Wi-Fi option. Now, what we want to do is press the bottom button on the remote to see the Wi-Fi list. Select Wi-Fi list. Select network settings. And then let your TV search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that you want to connect to from the list and press the middle button on your remote. Then you're going to have to provide the password for your Wi-Fi to navigate between the letters and digits. You can use your side keys, and to select, press the middle button. And this way, enter your password. And once you're ready, navigate to Go option and press the middle button to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then wait for your TV to connect to it. To confirm, select Connect if you see the notification like this, and then press the middle button once again to confirm your connection, and then the network that you connected to will appear on your Wi-Fi list, and you can just select it to connect to it. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to start browsing the web on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, press the home button to open the home menu on your TV, then navigate to your applications list, and here you'll find the built-in web browser. Unfortunately, that's the only option because there are no external browser available to download on this TV. So open the Internet web browser by Samsung, and once you open it, you'll be able to navigate here using your remote control. You'll see this mouse pointer, and it can navigate between sections of your browser. Here you can open different websites. You can start entering URL or keyword for your to get some search results. Yeah, and that's basically it. So let's open, for example, Wikipedia to see how it works. Of course, to use this web browser, you're gonna have to be connected to the internet. You can open another tab by tapping right here, and here you can open, for example, some other web browser, or so some other website. And so that's basically it. Once you want to exit, you can either press home button to return to home, or just navigate to X in the top right corner of the screen and select exit to confirm, and then your web browser will close. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to stream YouTube videos from your smartphone to your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To do so, go to Settings on your TV, then navigate to Wi-Fi and check which Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Now, check the Wi-Fi connection on your smartphone, and it has to be the same as on your TV. So just make sure that you are connected to the same network, and then open the YouTube application on your device. Let me find it. Okay, so open it, and then just tap this icon at the top of your application. And then let your smartphone find your TV, and you will see your TV at the bottom of your smartphone screen. Just tap on your TV's name, and then you can open any video on your in your YouTube application and play it, and it will be streamed to your TV. Let me skip the ads, and as you can see, this way we can stream videos from our smartphone to our TV. And yeah, both videos are playing. The video is both playing on the smartphone and on the TV. And you can pause it on your smartphone. And if you close the YouTube application on your smartphone, you will not be logged out of YouTube on your TV, so you're gonna have to exit manually. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename HDMI ports on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first, let's go to the home page on our TV by pressing the home button. Then let's go to the sidebar by pressing the left button, navigate down to connected devices, and then navigate to your HDMI ports. If you want to rename any of your HDMI ports, you're gonna have to have something connected to it. So let me first connect some device to my HDMI port. Okay, so now I have my smartphone connected to this HDMI port, and what we have to do once we select it is press the down arrow key and then select Edit. And once you select Edit, you'll be able to change the device icon to game console, PC, Blu-ray player, or home theater system. For some reason there is no smartphone option, but we can also press the right arrow key to navigate to device name and press OK to open keyboards. And now you can rename your HDMI to I don't know, it's Google Pixel, so I'm gonna name it Pixel 8. Then navigate to OK button, press it, and now as you can see, this HDMI port is renamed to Pixel 8. However, if we remove the device from this from the HDMI port, the name will remain the same. So yeah, that's basically all for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect an iPhone to your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, make sure that both your TV and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To do so, press the home button on your remote, then press the left button to navigate to the sidebar, scroll down to settings, and then use the right button to navigate to the Wi-Fi option. And here, look at the Wi-Fi that your TV is connected to, and make sure that your iPhone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network by swiping down the control center and seeing which Wi-Fi network your iPhone is connected to. Then, once your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, tap this icon on your control center, or if you don't see it right here, just hold your finger down on the control center and then tap Add a Control, and then add this double square icon, which is screen mirroring icon, to your control center. Then just tap on your control center once again, and then tap on the screen mirroring option, and here you will see 32 inches frame option. Just tap on it, and now provide the code you see on your TV screen on your iPhone to confirm the connection, and tap OK. And now your iPhone screen is being mirrored to your Samsung device. So you can start watching videos, for example, from YouTube. Somehow it's not installed. And now, as you can see, you can easily start playing videos from your iPhone and watch them on your TV in full screen mode. So that's basically how you do it. And then to disconnect your devices, swipe down the control center again on your iPhone and just tap on this screen mirroring icon once again and select Stop Mirroring option. And then your TV will return to the normal mode. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to the art section and open it. And now here, select the art that you want to display on your screen. You have a bunch of different options to choose from. For example, let's go with this one, but be careful, some art requires membership, therefore you'll need to get a membership subscription in order to display art on your TV screen. And now let's wait until this art list loads up. Okay, now let's select display all. Oh, my TV is lagging for some reason. Okay, this set also requires membership, which I unfortunately don't have. So let me just select this first Turkey image. For some reason my TV is lagging real bad. Okay, and then let's just Okay, let's select try in art mode so that we can see what it looks like. And so that's more or less what it looks like. At the top of the screen you can see the timer, and when it goes out my art will no longer be visible on the screen. And generally you can quickly access the art mode just by pressing the power button, short pressing the power button on your device's remote control, and this will display the art on your TV screen. So that's basically how you enter the art mode. Now, if you press the power button once again, you will return to the home menu or to the art menu. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to replace remote control batteries on your Samsung The Frame TV. So the original remote control, in my case, it looks like this. It doesn't use batteries, so you cannot replace them. Instead, you can charge it using a USB Type-C cable. Just insert it into this port and let your device charge. Now, or it can also use solar power for charging, so you can just align your pilot, your remote control, so that this part of it faces some source, some light source, and it will be slowly charging off it. However, if you have a remote control like this one, this is also a Samsung remote control, there's a good chance that you have one of these. Then in order to replace your battery, you have to push this or pull this part on the back side of your remote control like this to remove the cover. And here in my case it uses AAA batteries to charge. In your case it can be a different battery kind, and you can always just check. You can always check the inner part right here inside. Let me bring some light to it so that you can change, though it's kind of hard to see inside. Inside it says what kind of batteries this remote control supports, and also check the plus and minus signs position inside the remote control, and check and align your batteries plus and minus signs with the plus and minus signs in these ports or slots for your batteries, and just place them inside like this, and then just apply the cover of your remote control to it. And yeah, right now the batteries are replaced. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, make sure that your Bluetooth are in pairing mode. I cannot tell you how exactly put them into pairing mode, as this feature is different for each headphones that you may use. But generally speaking, when your device is in pairing mode, your LED lights or LED indicator on your headphones start blinking rapidly. And so in order to get to know how to put them into pairing mode, you're gonna have to check the manual to your headphones. Now, to connect them to your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar from the home menu, open settings, and then in quick settings menu, find Bluetooth devices and tap the down arrow key on your remote control, select all Bluetooth devices, and your TV will start searching for available Bluetooth devices. If you have successfully put your Bluetooth headset into pairing mode, you will see it on the list. Just click on it with OK button, select Pair and Connect, and wait until your TV is connected to your headphones. Okay, and so I'm just gonna check if this worked. Yeah, now I can hear the. Now I can hear the TV sound both from headphones and from my TV. However, if we want to change that, let's go to Settings, Sound. Let's select Sound Output. And now let's select Soundcore Liberty, which is my headphones. And now I can only hear the sound in my headphones. So I don't hear the sound from the TV, and I can only hear the sounds in the headset. And so that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first, press the home button on your remote to open the home menu, then press the left button to open the sidebar. On the sidebar, select Settings. In Settings, select All Settings. Navigate down to General and Privacy and select this menu. In this menu, select Parental Settings, and here you'll find things like Program Rate and Lock, apply the channel lock. So this is a single option which will lock the access to adult content using your PIN code. Or of course, if you didn't set up your PIN code, you'll be able to do this in this menu. And also you have things, the last thing is the app lock. And I didn't mention channel lock settings. In this menu, you'll be able to lock some specific channels using PIN code. Now let me show you to you how to do that using the app lock menu. Unfortunately, I have no access to this option since my TV is not connected to any channels right now. So let me just select the app lock, and here I'll show you how to lock the applications on your TV. Now to lock the application, you just have to navigate to it, then use the down button to navigate to lock option and select it, then provide your PIN code to lock this channel or this application, and the application will be locked. Now if you press the return button, you'll return to the previous menu. And the same way you can lock channels on your TV. If you want, once again, if you want to lock adult content, switch the toggle on next to this option, and in Program Rate and Lock, in order to access this option, you're going to have to provide your PIN code once again. And once you provide your PIN code, set the rating, basically the age at which some programs can be shown to the audience. So for example, let's set the program to the age of 12. And so that's basically how you do it. Now to change this value, you're gonna have to provide your PIN once again and select Allow All option, and this will allow all programs on your TV. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to show TV diagnostics on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the settings button on your remote control to open the settings. The settings button is located right beneath your power button. And press the gear icon to open settings. Go to all settings and navigate to support tab. In support tab, select device care. Wait until this menu launches, and here you'll be able to run quick diagnostics by clicking Start Device Care. This will diagnose the main features of your TV and will tell you also if something is wrong with it and how to fix it. Then tap Done. And for more diagnostics, go to Self-Diagnosis menu. And here you can diagnose each part of your TV. For example, you can perform the sound test on your TV. I hope it's not going to be too loud. So you can choose yes or no. And as you can see, the sound test was performed. Now we can also select the picture test. In this case, we're going to have to look at the picture on the on our screen and tell if everything looks normal. Yeah, we can look at this picture once again if we want to. Now, basically, it's a picture with a wide variety of bright colors, which should be displayed normally on our screen. So now you can select yes or no. You can also perform the remote control test. Okay, so in order to perform the remote test, we're going to have to hold return and the return and play pause buttons. Okay, now let's press home button, play pause, return, settings, voice, volume, channel, select, left, right, up, down. Okay, and so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install applications on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, press Home button on your remote and then press the right button to switch to the Apps menu. And here you can navigate between the available applications for your TV. But if you want to search for some specific application, use the left button until you open up the sidebar on your TV and then navigate to Search, select Search, and then select the search field and press OK to open the keyboard. And now start entering your app's name by navigating with your side buttons on your remote and selecting the character or the letter or the character or the digit using your middle button. Let's look for the application. And once you see your application on the list, you can just you can press the return button to turn off the keyboard, then tap on your application either here or in the apps menu. Tap on it once and then tap one more time to install this application, and then wait until it's installed on your TV. And once the application is installed, you can open it from here. You will see this notification. Here you can choose whether to open the application, to add it to home, or to just close this notification. So let's select open. And as you can see, the app starts working. Now let's go to Home. And since we didn't add this application to Home, we will not be able to see it right here. But if we go to Apps and find this application, or search for it once again, and then open its page in the Samsung App Store or whatever, I'm not sure what it's called, just navigate to Add to Home option, tap OK, and it will be added to your apps list in Home menu. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a laptop to your Samsung The Frame TV. To perform this kind of operation, you're gonna need to grab a double-sided HDMI cable like this one, and then grab your laptop, turn it on, and locate the HDMI port on it. Unfortunately, I don't know how to make it visible for you. The HDMI port usually is located on one of the edges of your PC, most commonly on the left one. Here it is. So let's plug in one side of the HDMI cable into this port and make sure that it sits firmly, and then grab your Samsung TV's one Connect box, the one where your cables are connected to, and on the back side of your box you will find two HDMI ports. They are also numerated, so you will find the HDMI 1 and the HDMI 2. So for example, use the HDMI 1 to connect the other side of your HDMI cable. And now you can either select your HDMI on the TV. You will find this option in Recent. If you just tap on it, you will see your you will see your laptop's screen right here. Or if you don't see this option in Recent, then let's press the Home button on the remote control, then use the left button to navigate to the sidebar, and then scroll down to Connected Devices and use right key to select HDMI 1, then tap OK, and now you are once again connected with your laptop, and now you see everything that happens on your laptop screen. So that's basically how you do it. You can press Home button on your remote anytime you want to leave this menu, and once you are finished, you can just unplug the HDMI cable from both your TV, the one box, and your laptop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung The Frame to a mobile hotspot. First of all, set up the mobile hotspot on your smartphone. Normally, you'd have to go to Settings, then open Network and Internet or any other network-related settings, then go to Hotspot menu, and here switch the toggle to the right next to Wi-Fi hotspot. And by tapping on it, you can also adjust the hotspot name, security, the password, automatic turn off, and I also recommend going to speed and compatibility and selecting 2.4 and 5 gigahertz or just better compatibility settings. Okay, and once your mobile hotspot is enabled, on your TV, press the Home button to go to the home page, then the left button to open the sidebar, and on the sidebar navigate to Settings then press the right button on your remote control to go to the settings and search for Wi-Fi. Now once you reach Wi-Fi, press the bottom down button on your remote control and then select network status and select Wi-Fi list, then network settings. Then your TV is gonna be searching for Wi-Fi networks, and here you'll find your mobile hotspot. In my case, it's this Pixel 6141 hotspot, and now we're gonna have to enter the password to your hotspot. It's located in your device's settings, in your smartphone's hotspot settings. So enter your password by navigating through the keyboard that you see right here, using your side buttons on your remote control and selecting the character with the central button. Okay, let me enter the password. I think it's gonna take some time. And once you enter the password, select go and wait until your TV is connected to the mobile hotspot. And so that's basically it. Right now you are connected to your portable hotspot on your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the aspect ratio and zoom level on your Samsung Frame TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to select the source or the display mode for which we want to change the zoom level and aspect ratio. To do so, press the left button on your remote control to open the sidebar, then go to Connected Devices, and now select which device or which screen mode or which source you want to change the aspect ratio for. For example, if you are select TV and you have the aerial connection set up on your TV, then you'll be able to change the aspect ratio and zoom level for this option. But I unfortunately don't have the aerial cable set up inserted into my TV. So instead, I'm gonna select HDMI 1, where I have my Nintendo Switch connected to my PC. I just have to turn it on, I think. Okay, and so right now, let's press the settings button on the remote control. It's located right beneath the power button. Unfortunately, you cannot see my remote control. Then press OK to open settings, then select all settings. And now here in the picture menu, you'll be able to change the picture size settings. Just go into this menu. Here you can change your picture size by selecting this option and then selecting either 6:9, which is the standard aspect ratio. The custom, it basically adjusts your display to your device's display, and 4:3 enables 4:3 picture size. So select whichever one you need and just go with it. Here you can change fit to screen option. You can either enable it or disable it or set it to auto. And my Nintendo Switch just switched off, so I'm gonna have to turn it on again to change the picture size settings. And yeah, basically I don't have zoom and position options for this particular device, but in other cases, for other sources, you will have this you may have this option enabled, and here you can change the zoom and position of your picture in this menu. And additionally, I just want to also mention General and Privacy menu, Accessibility. Here you can enable zoom menu and text option, which will zoom everything on your device's screen, so it will make it more visible for you. And you can enable or disable this option in one click. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the AirPlay feature on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, on your TV, go to the sidebar and navigate down to Settings. Then in Settings, select All Settings and select Connection menu. In Connection menu, you're going to have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list to select Apple AirPlay settings. And here, just make sure that the AirPlay is on. To switch the value, press the Central or OK key on your remote control. Then you can also adjust the code requiring. By default, it's first time only, so you will only have to enter the code first time you connect to your TV. You can also adjust subtitles and captioning, which has a bunch of different settings for it. And yeah, and that's it. You can also reset AirPlay devices on your TV. Okay, and now to connect an Apple device to your TV, for example, this iPhone, you have to either swipe down the control center, select screen mirroring, and select your TV, and then enter the code on your TV or on your iPhone, and then you'll be able to stream your iPhone screen to your TV. Or if you want to use an AirPlay feature specifically for some application, for example, photos or Apple Music, you can go into your, for example, Photos folder, and then select the photo here, and then select Share option. Now let me stop the screen mirroring, and now let's go to the photo. Tap the share button icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then select AirPlay. And this way you will start, once you select the TV, you will start sharing some specific application. In this case, it's photos that we have on our iPhone, or videos, of course, too, like this one or this one that isn't playing for some reason, maybe because it's incompatible. Okay, and or this one. Yeah, that's basically how you do it. And once you leave this application, the AirPlay streaming will be stopped. And yeah, one important notice: in order for this feature to work, both your TV and the iPhone have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It's very important. I'm sorry that I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video, but yeah, if you were struggling to connect your devices, that's probably because they are connected to different Wi-Fi networks, or maybe your iPhone is connected to mobile data. So yeah, now you know the reason. So that's how you use your AirPlay feature on your Samsung The Frame TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set automatic turning on and turning off on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, you're gonna have to download the SmartThings application on your smartphone. If you don't know how to do it, then you're gonna have to check, or maybe, so if you don't know how to do it, you're highly welcome to check our video on how to use your smartphone as a remote for your Samsung The Frame TV. And once you download and install and set up your SmartThings application on your smartphone, then you're gonna have to open this application, and in this app, open the Routines tab, and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a routine. And now select under F, select time. And now let's select specific time, like 10 p.m. maybe. Then you can also choose when you want to repeat this. So every week, every month, every day. And then tap done. And then under then, select I add action, control devices, select your TV and tap next, and select turn off and tap done. And this way, every day when it's 10 p.m., the TV will be turned off automatically. So we can test the routine actions by tapping right here. And as you can see, yeah, the TV turns off. And now you can choose the icon for this routine and tap save at the bottom of the screen. Now let's create a routine to turn on your TV automatically. So under if, let's select a condition, and let's select the time, and let's select specific time. So for example, 7:30 a.m. Once again, repeat every day. Okay, and under then, let's select control devices, select your TV, tap next, and then let's select turn on and tap done. Then let's test routine actions. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. Now let's select save, then confirm. And as you can see, we have two automatic routines. And now the TV will be turned on automatically when it's 7:30 a.m. and it will turn off automatically when it's 10 p.m. And now on your TV itself, you can open the SmartThings application, and in the SmartThings application on the sidebar, navigate to routines. And here you'll be able to disable this routine so whenever you need to by just selecting routine and pressing OK on your remote control. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play media from your USB flash drive on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, before even adding media to your USB flash drive on your computer, make sure that it's formatted to either exFAT if it's over 32 gigabytes of storage, and if it's lower than 32 gigabytes of storage, I recommend using FAT32 formatting type. Well, now, if this doesn't tell you anything, simply right-click your USB flash drive in this PC directory or from the sidebar and select Format. And now what we have to do is expand the list next to File System option and select exFAT or FAT32. Then just you can select hit the checkbox next to Quick Format and click Start and OK. And all data will be deleted from your USB flash drive. That's why we are doing this before uploading any media to the USB flash drive. So be aware of it. Tap OK. And once the USB flash drive is formatted, let's go grab our media file. Let's cut it out of this directory and let's paste it into the USB flash drive. Okay, and now we just have to safely eject the USB flash drive from the computer, and we can insert it into the TV. Okay, and so right now what we have to do is grab our USB flash drive and plug it into the USB port on the Samsung One Connect box. So here we can see two USB ports. You can insert your USB flash drive into any of them. And once you insert it, your TV should recognize your USB flash drive. Now I have my flash drive is kind of specific. It has two storage systems in it, so just you can select any of them, and it will read from this specific storage. And if you by accident, if you selected the wrong one, you can press the home button on your remote and the left button to go to the sidebar, then navigate to connected devices, and then here you'll be able to see both of these card readers and select the one that's right for you. So yeah, I accidentally chose the wrong one. So now to play the media, just select the media you want to play and press OK on it, and then the media will start playing on your device. And yeah, this is the tutorial from our channel. So yeah, right now you can watch the tutorials from our channel while watching this tutorial. So that's basically it. Now whenever you want to stop watching your media and use your USB flash drive for any other purpose, simply remove it from your TV, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to share audio from your laptop to your Samsung The Frame TV using HDMI connection type. So in case of Windows laptops, you have to normally connect HDMI cable to your HDMI port, and the other side of the cable has to be connected to Samsung One Connect box. As you can see right here, I have it connected to the HDMI 1 port. Therefore, if you don't see your TV screen, if you don't see your laptop screen on your TV, you're gonna have to go to the sidebar, connected devices, and select HDMI connection. I accidentally selected the wrong one actually. So let's go to HDMI 1. And now, once your screen is being casted, there might be a problem that your audio isn't being casted to your TV. All you have to do is tap these three icons to open the control center, and then open the sound output by clicking this icon right here, the sound mixer icon. And then make sure that the Samsung option is selected. Then we can test the audio and see where it's being played, what it's being played out of. And in my case, the audio is being played out of the TV. And now let's switch to the MacBook. And in my case, I'm connecting the MacBook using a dock like this that has the USB Type-C cable in it, and also has the HDMI connection type port. And I will insert my HDMI cable into it, and then I will insert this dock into the MacBook using this USB Type-C connection type. And now what to do if your sound is being played out of your MacBook and not your TV. Simply open System Settings on your MacBook. Then in System Settings, you have to navigate to the sound. Here it is. Sound, and in sound, find the output and change the output to Samsung. And now let's try to play the sound. or you can simply go to the control center and go to sounds and change the output to Samsung. And now let's actually try to play something, because I don't know how to test this on MacBook. Okay, and I can clearly hear that the sound is being streamed from the TV and not the laptop. So I think that will be it.
Here we have to scroll all the way down to find.
So let me mute the TV. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you stream your audio on your TV from your MacBook, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect the Frame TV to your iPhone using AirPlay. First of all, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To make sure of that, go to your settings menu on your TV and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Make sure that the Wi-Fi you are connected to on this TV matches the one that you are connected to on your iPhone. Then in settings, go to all settings, scroll down to connection, open the connection menu and navigate down to Apple AirPlay settings, then open it. And here the only thing we need to do is make sure that the AirPlay is on. So if it's off, just press OK button on your remote control, and then we can go back to the home page. Now on your iPhone, you can stream AirPlay in two different methods. So first one is swiping down the control center, then select screen mirroring option, which is the default feature on your control center. But if you don't have it, you have to hold your finger down on the control center, select edit control, find your screen mirroring option, and it will be added to your control center. So once you open screen mirroring, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your device will instantly find the Frame TV on the list. So let's tap on it, and once we tap on it, you're gonna have to confirm. If you tap in on it for the first time, you're gonna have to enter a PIN code to connect to, but it's not the first time that I'm connecting my iPhone to this TV, so I didn't have to do that. But you will see the PIN code on your TV screen or on your iPhone screen. No, on your TV screen. And then and now this way you can basically stream your iPhone's display to your TV. The other way to do so, well, first of all, to disable this screen mirroring, just go back to the control center, open screen mirroring, and tap on your TV. Now the other way to use screen mirroring feature is if you want to stream some specific application like Apple Music or maybe photos, where if you want to show some photos and videos from your smartphone, just go to this application, then select some specific photo, maybe this one, and tap share icon. In Photos application, it's located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you're gonna have to select AirPlay. Then once you press AirPlay, select your TV on the list, and now you'll be only casting this specific application to your TV. And now to exit AirPlay, in this case, you have to simply close the application that you're using. And so yeah, that's how you connect your iPhone to your TV using AirPlay. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect an external device like PlayStation 5, Xbox console, or Apple TV to your Samsung The Frame device. So the first accessory we're gonna need for this is the double-sided HDMI cable. Well, unfortunately, I don't have all three devices around me. I only have PS5, but the principle is totally the same for every device you want to connect to your TV. So prepare your double-sided HDMI cable, prepare your device, of course. In my case, it's the PS5. And now what's the first thing that we have to do is grab the power cable, which should be included in the box with the device itself. Plug in the power cable into the power source. For example, on PS5, we have the power source at the very bottom of the console right here. So what we're gonna need to do is plug in this cable firmly inside the power port on the console, and then plug in the other side of the cable into the outlet to power our device on. So after that, what we're gonna need to do is grab our HDMI cable and plug in one side of the HDMI cable into the device. So in my case, the HDMI port is located right here. I hope that you can clearly see it. Yeah, you do. So plug it like this. And now let's plug in the other side of the cable into the One Connect box. Now the HDMI ports on the One Connect box are located at the back side of it. This is the first one, so this is the HDMI 1. This is the HDMI 2. You can connect your device into any of this. This is just an information for later. But basically, you can connect your device to any HDMI port. And now, once the device is connected, power it on. So find the power button on your device and press it. And now on your TV, let's go to the home page, pressing home. Oh, and yeah, in my case, the PlayStation already already appeared on the screen. But generally speaking, what we have to do is go to the sidebar of our TV and then navigate down to connected devices and go to connected devices list and select the HDMI port that we connected our device to. So in my case, it's the HDMI 1. And yeah, now you can see the PlayStation screen in front of you. And in order to start using PlayStation, I'm gonna have to press the PS button on the controller. But that's the other matter, not for this video. And so basically, that's how you connect any external device to your TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use voice controls with your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, you're gonna have to press the microphone button on your remote control to set up your Bixby. To set it up, you just have to navigate to this language section and select your preferred language and press next. And then you can choose your voice style by selecting this option. You will be transferred to Bixby settings, and here you can change the voice style. for your Bixby. Okay, and so from now on, your Bixby is basically set up, and to start controlling your TV with voice, you just have to hold down the microphone button on your remote control and say something like, I want to watch Harry Potter. And then your assistant, your virtual assistant, will find something relevant for you. And you can choose from all the available options. In my case, it's only YouTube, since I don't have any other services set up on my TV. And if you just single press your microphone button, you will see some suggestions. And you can also navigate to the right to either go to Bixby settings and change more settings for your voice assistant. It's basically the menu from which we returned. And here you have the voice wake up. You can, in order to enable this option, you're gonna have to get the Samsung soundbar. Oh, I accidentally left this menu. Let me quickly return to it. And also in the same menu, you can change a bunch of other settings that are relevant for you if you have the Samsung soundbar, basically. But you can change wake up phrase, wake up sensitivity here. In this next settings, you can change your language and voice style. That's the one we already checked. You can also enable or disable voice response in Bixby feedback menu. And here you can change some privacy settings. And here you can find some information about Bixby. And so that's basically it. You just hold your microphone button and say something like, I want to watch something. I'm not sure. I want to watch Pulp Fiction. Somehow I said it wrong, I guess, or did I get it wrong? I want to watch Pulp Fiction. I want to watch Pulp Fiction. Oh, now I get it. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to display photos from your USB flash drive on your Samsung Frame TV. So I think let's start with the computer from which we're transferring our photos to make some preparations to do everything properly. So let me switch to the computer where I have my USB flash drive inserted. And here, what we have to do before we insert our USB flash drive into the TV is back up all the files that we have in it, and then right-click the flash drive, select Format, make sure that you backed up all the files, because this operation will erase everything from your USB flash drive. Now, select File System exFAT or FAT32 if exFAT isn't available here. Then you can select Quick Format for quick formatting of your USB flash drive. If you don't want to wait long, click Start, OK. And then the format will be complete. Once it's complete, let's go to our Pictures folder. Let's grab all of these pictures out of here, and let's paste them right here onto to our USB flash drive. Now right-click let's right-click our USB flash drive to eject it from our computer safely, and after that, let's switch to the TV. no, not like that, like this. So now what we have to do is insert our USB flash drive into the one connect box, into one of the available USB type A ports on this side. Insert it and make sure that it sits firmly. Your device will detect your USB card reader automatically. Here are all the photos. Now, if your device didn't open your USB flash drive automatically, you can go to connected devices list and then select it right here. Now, if you want to display these photos, just like watch them, you can just open the photo and then press play to enter the slideshow. But if you want to display them in your art mode, which is a different matter, we have to exit our USB flash drive and then on the sidebar select art, and once we are in the art mode, navigate down to my photos and select this option. And if you have any photos here already, then you're gonna have if you have any photos here already, you'll see import from storage device option in the top right corner of your screen. If you don't have any photos, this is the only option that you have on your screen. So let's select it. Then let's select our USB card reader, and now let's select the photos that we want to import. I'm just gonna select all of them by clicking select all and click send. And then let's select go to my photos. And now just select display all option at the top of your screen, and your device will switch your own photos one by one after some time, and you'll see all of your photos displayed on the screen. And you can also switch between them manually using left and right arrow keys while in art mode. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your own photos in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. The first way to do that is using the SmartThings application, which is available on your TV, either on your home screen or in apps menu in provided by Samsung tab. So basically what you have to do is download this application on your smartphone. If you don't know how to download this application on your smartphone, you're gonna have to check. You're gonna have to either Google it, or you can check our video. You're highly welcome to check our video how to use your smartphone as a remote, where I explain everything step by step. And once you have downloaded this application, signed into your Samsung account, and then added your TV to your devices list, select your TV. Now let's swipe down the remote control and let's select the Art tab at the bottom. And now let's select this icon right here. And now we can add our own photos. So let's, for example, select this photo, tap done, and now we can edit, we can crop this photo basically however we want. And we can also change the matte for it. Click next. Now we can adjust the matte color for this image. Next, we can also enable the art effect, and then tap set on the frame to set this photo on your device's frame. And here it is. Our photo is on the frame. If you want to, you can also customize your photo by pressing up arrow key on your remote control, then up arrow key once again, and press OK to select mount and filter. And now you can choose a different mount and a different mount color for your photo. You can also change the photo filter for your photo, and then press OK to accept. And here is our new image. Now, this is not the only way that you can add photos to your art mode. The other one is using a USB flash drive. So basically what you have to do is first format your USB flash drive into exFAT or FAT32 format, depending on which one is available for your flash drive. And then once you do that, upload your photos on your USB flash drive and insert it into your One Connect box into one of the two available USB Type A slot ports. Just insert it like this. Make sure that it's firmly inserted. By default, your TV will open your card reader automatically, but you can also check manually for it by going to the sidebar, navigating to connected devices, and finding your USB card reader. In my case, I have two for complicated reasons, but we can check both of them and check which one is correct one. I already know that it's this one, and here we have our photos. But basically it's not what we're actually looking for. Instead, in the art mode, we have to navigate down to My Photos, then press OK. Then in My Photos, you have to select Import from the storage, then select your USB flash drive, and then select which photos you want to add to your art mode. I'm just gonna select all of them and then click Send. Then go to My Photos, and now all of them are present here in the art mode. So now let's choose one of these photos for our art mode. For example, this one, or for example, this one. And so that's it. That's how you add your own photos to the art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you've been trying to perform factory reset operation on your device, but your factory data reset option is grayed out. Now, there are several reasons why an error like this happens, and the first one is that your TV is still launching. It requires some time to launch all the options in settings and also all the applications in it. So just take your TV a couple of minutes before trying to do that again, and then try to go back into the previous settings menu and try to perform factory reset operation. But if you've been waiting for longer than that, then this must be something else. And the first most common reason for that is that your TV is connected to some other device and you cannot perform factory reset operation due to that. So check your USB ports, check your HDMI ports, make sure that your device is only connected to its One Connect box, and One Connect box is of course connected to the power outlets, and then try to perform factory reset operation once again. And in case this isn't the reason too, then you should try entering the hospitality mode and turning it off. And to do so, you're gonna have to press the combination of mute button, then top, bottom, and OK. So mute, up arrow key, down arrow key, OK. And then just wait for the hospitality mode to appear on your screen. And if you see that the hospitality mode is on, then press OK, then press left arrow key to turn it off and then hold your power button for a couple of seconds to let your TV turn off. Then let it wait for a while and launch it once again by pressing the power button once again. And after that, you're gonna have to give your TV some time before factory data reset option becomes available again. So let the TV launch and let's go straight to settings. All settings. Now let's navigate down to general and privacy. Yeah, and it's still not available, so let's give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been literally like a couple of minutes, and right now the factory data reset operation is performable. But if you still have this issue on your TV, even after longer time of waiting, then you can try to perform factory reset operation through this service mode. And now this is not an easy thing to do if you have the original remote control like this one, because you cannot do it with it. So you're gonna have to either get yourself an Android smartphone with that supports infrared communications with TV, so that you can install a remote control on it, and remote control application from Play Store, and then using this remote control perform a press the combination of keys that I'm going to show you right now. Or you can just use an advanced Samsung remote control like this one. And so no matter which you are using, you're gonna have to press info, then menu, then mute, and then power button. But before all of that, let's power the TV off. Info, menu, mute, power button. Then let your TV turn on. Hope I didn't press the buttons in the wrong way. Let's wait for a while. No, think not. Okay, and now we are in the service mode. So what we want to open here is the option section. Now I'm gonna be navigating using the original remote control here. So select option, then press OK. And the first option here is factory reset. Now all you have to do is select factory reset, then perform it using this menu. And so once you perform factory reset operation, all data on your device, all data, all info, all accounts will be erased from your device. So that's basically it at this point. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove ads from your Samsung Smart TV. So let's start by going to settings by pressing the settings button on the remote control, then open settings. And in settings, we want to go to all settings, navigate down to general and privacy. And here we all have to go to terms and privacy. Now, in my case, terms and privacy will be in different language, so I'm gonna have to explain to you what to search for. So you're gonna need to search for either personalized advertisements or internet-based ads here. In my case, it's this option. It's the fifth option from the top, but maybe in your case it's something different. So basically what we have to do is select this option and then uncheck this checkbox, click agree, and after that let's also go to System Manager, select Samsung account, select your account, press bottom down arrow key to select my account, and now here we're gonna have to navigate to Security and Privacy and open this menu. After that, let's navigate to Customization Service, and here you can disable Customization Service if you want to by switching this toggle off. Also go to, and yeah, be aware that the changes to the settings can take up to 48 hours to take effect, but it's not everything. Let's also go to Improve Personalized Ads and disable this feature right here, Improve Personalized Ads with Samsung account data. And now last thing is Get News and Special Offers. Let's also disable this feature here. After that, let's press the home button to return to the home menu and go back to settings. And now in settings, also I want you to make sure that in general and privacy System Manager, you have the home mode selected as usage mode. Make sure of that, and make sure that you don't have a retail mode enabled, as the retail mode will show you ads all the time. And now the last thing for the best ad security that you can do is go to Connection, then select Network, then select Network Status. Your device will connect with your network, and now what we need to do here is navigate to IP settings, then navigate down to DNS setting and change it from Get Automatically to Enter Manually, and now select DNS server option right here, and let's change it to the AdGuard DNS server. The AdGuard's DNS servers for Samsung Smart TV are 94. So let's enter 94. Then right arrow key. No. To switch to the next field. Then 140. Then then right arrow key to select the third field, and then you can enter in the last two fields. You can either enter 14, then 14 in the second one, or you can also try 15 in both of the last fields if these don't work for you. These are the default DNS addresses. And if you want, you can also use the 14.15 in the last two fields, or 15.16 if you want to enable the family protection servers of AdGuard, which will block your ads, tracking modules, and also content for adult content, and it will enable the safe search and safe mode wherever it can. But this particular DNS address will block the ads on your TV. So let's press OK. Then let's press OK once again, and let's see if it's if your device connects to the internet. If it doesn't, change 14.14 to 15.15 and try once again. And at this point, that's basically it. And all of these adjustments should not only remove ads from your Samsung TV itself, but also from streaming services that have ads in them. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos to a playlist on your Samsung The Frame TV. So there are several ways to do that depending on which kind of photos you want to display on your screen. If you want to add multiple artworks, if you have an art subscription on your TV, you can select the art category, for example this one, and then to add several artworks from this menu, you're gonna have to select each one of them and then press this favorite button, this heart-shaped button, for example this one. Then we can also favorite this one. Then we can go to the other menu and select photos from it, for example this menu, and here let's select this artwork. Okay, this is not a category, it's just an artwork. Let's also add some Van Gogh. For example this photo. Okay, and now let's get back to the art store. Now let's go to my art store category and select favorites. And now here you can delete some of the photos you don't want to see on your screen by tapping delete, then selecting the photo, and then selecting delete, select it. And now to display them all as a playlist, select display all, and you're gonna need to have a subscription for that. Now if you want to display your own photos, you can bring them using your USB flash drive. Just insert your USB flash drive into the USB port on this side of the One Connect box. Insert your USB flash drive like this. Make sure that it sits firmly inside this port, and let's go back to the art mode. Now let's navigate down to my album, and now select import from storage device, select your USB flash drive, and now let's select, for example, all of these photos. Press send, press go to my photos, and now in this menu press display all, and this way you'll have a playlist of your own photos, selected ones, and and it will they will change every 3 minutes by default, unless you change it in the display options, which you can do by pressing the up arrow key twice while displaying an artwork or a photo from your gallery, and then press OK, and then you can change change display options. You can display photos either in order or shuffled, and you can also change the rotation time. Now you can also add photos using SmartThings application. If you have it downloaded on your phone, connect your TV to your smartphone using this application. We have a separate video on how to do that. It's called how to use your smartphone as a remote control to your Samsung The Frame TV. And in such case, let's start by removing, by going to art and selecting photos. And in photos, we're gonna need to delete all the photos that we previously had there. So let's go to my photos. Now let's select delete. Let's select all of them and then delete selected. Okay. Now do not press buttons on your remote. And now once you are in the Samsung, in the SmartThings application on your smartphone, what you're gonna need to do is select your TV in the menu. Now let's swipe down the remote control and now select Art. Tap this icon to add new photos to your art mode, and then select the photos from here that you want to add to your playlist. Tap OK. Let's wait a while. Okay. And now you see we have 6 photos here. Tap Set on the frame. Wait until the photos are sent to the frame. And now we're gonna have a playlist of our selected photos. And you can also access them from the My Photos menu, as they were all added there. So let's go to My Album. And here they are. Let's select Display All. And now we have a playlist of our own photos. So that's all the ways to add your photos to a playlist on your Samsung The Frame TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to stream the screen of your laptop to your Samsung The Frame TV, whether you're using a MacBook or a Windows laptop. So if you're using a MacBook like this one unfortunately has an outdated operational system. So, but basically it's relevant for both this system and the newer macOS 26 version. Basically, all you have to do is connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. And to check the Wi-Fi network that your TV is connected to, you gotta find the remote, which is the hardest part, and then on your TV, open settings, and in the list of quick settings, find the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to, and make sure that you are connected to the same network on your MacBook. Then, what we're gonna need to do is open the control center and find the screen mirroring option right here. Just tap on it, and you'll see your TV on the list. Now you're gonna see the, normally you would see the pin code on your TV screen, and you're gonna have to enter it on your MacBook, and then you'll be connected. And the quality of the streaming, you can see for yourself, it's actually seamless. In my opinion, it's very good. It's impressive. Now, the other way to stream your laptop's monitor is using an HDMI cable. However, I don't remember a MacBook having an HDMI port, so you're gonna have to use your dock for it. I suppose if you have a MacBook, you have one of these. So you connect the USB Type-C cable into your Mac, and then you have a list of extensions. So you're gonna need the one that has an HDMI port in it, and of course the HDMI cable around. But I guess, I'm not sure if you have any gaming console to which you connect using your HDMI port, but if you do, that's actually great for this video. So we're gonna have to grab our Samsung One Connect box and connect the HDMI cable to the back side of it, and then connect the other side of the cable into the dock like this, and then eventually connect the USB Type-C cable into your MacBook. Okay. and then the same thing happens. And if you don't, if your laptop screen isn't, oh, I don't know why it's showing me the wrong screen. But if you don't see anything here, you have to go to the sidebar, then go to connected devices, find your HDMI 1, and here you should be able to see your MacBook's display. Yeah, and if you are wondering why you cannot see any icons on your TV, while there are icons on your MacBook, that's because the TV became by default an extension of your MacBook, and you have to change it in MacBook settings by tapping the Apple logo in the top left corner of your MacBook screen. Then go to System Settings, and in System Settings you're gonna have to find Display on the taskbar. I accidentally closed it. Let me reopen it. Okay, so never mind. So you have to find Displays on the sidebar, select your displays, and then select one of these two. No, in our case, select Samsung, and then change extended display to mirror to built-in display. And then you'll be able to see the same image, the same picture on both your MacBook and your TV. Okay, so that's it for the MacBook. Now let's switch to Windows laptop. How to cast your Windows laptop screen. There are also two ways to do that. The first one is using wireless connection. Once again, just make sure that both your Windows laptop and your Samsung the frame are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then what you have to do is press the combination of Windows key and K. Windows K. This combination of key will show you the cast menu with available displays, and if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, then you're just gonna have to select your display on the screen and then wait until your devices are connected. So in a moment we're probably gonna have to enter the PIN code. Okay, so on your TV select allow. Maybe we're not gonna have to enter any PIN codes. Yeah, so and now the screen is being mirrored to our TV. You can see it for yourself. But now, in case of Windows laptops, it's usually much easier to connect them using HDMI cable. By the way, if you press Windows K once again on your laptop and select disconnect right here, you'll be disconnected. Now, usually the HDMI port on your laptop is located on the left edge, and so you just have to insert the HDMI cable into your HDMI port. I'm not sure if you can see it right here, it's too dark out here. So yeah, here's where it is. So just insert your HDMI cable into your laptop and it should instantly, your device's display should be instantly casted. And now since we've seen the different options of casting the screen on the MacBook, how to apply them on our Windows, you're gonna have to, in order to do that, you're gonna have to use the combination of Windows and P buttons. And here you can select the projection modes. By default, it's duplicate. If you select extend, your TV will become an extension of your laptop. Yeah, so we can navigate either on our TV or on our laptop. We can use, if you select PC screen only, the screen will not be casted to your TV. For some reason, oh yeah, and the screen will only be displayed on your laptop. And if you select second screen only, then you will only see your Windows display on the TV and not on your laptop. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast your Android phone's screen to your Samsung The Frame TV. So if you have a Samsung smartphone, all you have to do is make sure that your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. To do that, go to settings on your TV, and in the quick settings bar, navigate to the Wi-Fi. I think I missed it actually. Yeah, just check the name of your Wi-Fi and then check if the Wi-Fi on your smartphone is the same. And if it's the same, then basically all you have to do is on the same control panel on your smartphone, find the Smart View screen mirroring feature, tap on it, let your Samsung device detect your TV, and then tap on it on the list to connect to it, and tap Start Now, and then wait for your smartphone to connect to your TV. You will see the notification like this on your TV in the top right corner, and then you're probably gonna have to confirm, but I'm not really sure. Let's just wait. So if you're asked to confirm your connection, then of course do so. If your device didn't connect, you can retry, and then eventually it will work, and the screen of your smartphone will be casted to your TV. Now, of course, Samsung isn't the only brand of smartphones out there, so you may also have an Android device like this, for example, which is the Google Pixel 8, and unfortunately it cannot natively connect to this smartphone or to this TV. So if you swipe down the control center and find the cast option, it will start searching for devices, and eventually will find no devices even being connected to the same Wi-Fi network as this TV. So what we can do in such case, we actually have several options, and the first one, which requires the least action, but it's also rather of a, it will also provide you with a poor, worse quality image, is using the web service. So on your TV, open your web browser by tapping www button, and then and then navigate to your path field and start searching for the website called Webcast, and the URL address for it is webcast.airdroid. Do not misspell it. It's not an Android, it's airdroid.com. Yeah, so as you can see on your screen already, let me just no, there is an easier way. Okay, almost got it. I actually hate using Pilot for typing, but yeah. So just enter this website, and once you are here, yeah, they recommend using the latest version of Chrome or Edge, but we literally have no choice, unfortunately. Once you're here, download the same webcast application on your Android device. So I think my camera should focus. Okay, it's focused. Yeah, and now open the Play Store on your Android device and search for webcast application. Fortunately, I cannot see it. Give me a moment. Sorry for the confusion. It's actually called AirDroid Cast Screen Mirroring by Sense Studio. Open it on your smartphone, and then you can either use the code to share your screen, but I think it would be better if you tap the scan icon right here on your smartphone and just scan your TV screen with your smartphone's camera. Yeah, and once you do that, you're gonna have to apply the connection, allow the connection on your TV by selecting allow option, and then tap share the screen on your phone. Then also you can give the permission for this website to use for this application to use your phone screen. And then in order to get rid of this bars at the top and everything, just navigate. Oh, camera didn't focus for some reason. So navigate to this icon and tap OK, and this way you will have the full screen view of your smartphone. And now you can do anything you want on your smartphone, and it will be displayed on your to your TV with a small delay, small but not noticeable, as you can see for yourself. Well, maybe it would be better if I showed to you how it actually looks like. And yeah, you can see there is a delay. So what are the alternatives if your native cast application just doesn't cast your phone screen? So if your Android device isn't old or isn't like super budget device, it may also be able to use HDMI connection types. And in such case, we're gonna need to create a set of connections to actually get our smartphone to stream to your TV, which is, well, maybe it is the most inconvenient, the weirdest thing that you could do to stream your device's screen, but yeah, it has its uses, so I totally understand, and I did that myself. So get an HDMI cable first, two-sided HDMI cable, or you can also get HDMI to USB Type-C, but I'd rather expect that you have just a regular HDMI cable for maybe your PlayStation. And then what you have to do is plug in this HDMI cable into your Samsung One Connect box, into the HDMI port that are located both on the back side of your Connect box. And then what you're gonna also need to have is a dock like this, which has a USB Type-C cable at the end, and the USB and the HDMI port on it. So just plug in the HDMI port into this adapter or into this dock, and then plug in this USB Type-C cable into your smartphone. And yeah, it will not work on all smartphones. Some smartphones do not support HDMI type connections, but actually on this, unexpectedly on this phone, it does work. So you want to see the notification on your phone to mirror your display, just tap mirror display or OK or agree. And then on your TV, go to the sidebar, go to the connected devices, find your HDMI that your phone is connected to, and now actually you can stream your phone screen with no delay. And if something is wrong with the size of your phone on your TV and you don't see the entire phone screen, yeah, you can go you can press the settings button on your remote, this one, and then select press OK to open settings, then go to all settings, then go to picture, and then in picture size and settings, select standard, or maybe custom if the standard is the problem. Fit to screen, set it to on, and yeah. Oh no, accidentally changed the source. And now everything works well. And yeah, it's actually seamless this way, but yeah, it's not very convenient to use this way. But that's the way you do that. And so that's, I think, all the ways that you can connect your Android smartphone to the Frame TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.